Hey guys, welcome back to Lintech, and today I'll show you how to enable Facebook's Secret Crush feature. Let's start. Step 1. Go to your Facebook app's settings. It's the sandwich icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, scroll down until you see the dating icon. It's the heart icon. Next, tap Get Started and answer the following questions. You'll be given multiple screens. Just keep answering as you go. First, you'll be asked, what is your gender? Choose one. Next, you'll be asked, who would you like to date? Choose a gender and then just click next again. Next, you'll be asked for your location. Then click next. And lastly, choose a picture. Then tap on confirm. Wait for the confirmation screen and you're done. Now have your dating profile ready. Also, some dating reminders. You can only save up to 9 secret crushes on Facebook. And also you can only change 1 secret crush per day. Can't see the dating icon in your settings, maybe you don't have the latest version of Facebook. Make sure to update your Facebook app. And if not, maybe dating is not yet available in your country. So keep checking the Facebook blog for more info. Good luck in finding your one true love. Video helped you out, please subscribe. Take care and God bless, and see you next time. If this video was able to help you, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, take care and God bless, and see you next time only here on Lintech. Bye!